Hey, look at that.
Check it out.
That is badass.
Hey everyone, we've got a new blind spot monitoring system from Tesstudio, second generation. This works for Model Y, Model 3, has to have the AMD processor. I have a Model 3 Highland Performance and it has the blind spot monitoring, the little red LEDs in the speakers in the corner. They're pretty small. You know what? This is better. And it doesn't just do blind spot monitoring. It'll also tell you if somebody is in the lane and you're trying to turn into it. It'll tell you if your turn signals are on. It'll tell you if a door is open. We'll go through all of it. This also checks all of the boxes. Price is good, install is easy, and it provides real value. We're going to do the usual. Super quick unboxing. We do a full install it very easy. I'm actually stealing most of the clips from Tesstudio, but I will show you how to run the cable a couple different ways. So watch that. Then we drive around and see it in action. All the links are below. Do not forget to use the discount code TESLAMARK. Try it out. It works in all the best places. All right, so check this kit out. I mean, you can't get a whole lot more simple than this. These are the indicators here with nice thin wire, like old school phone cable. That'll be easy to fit in the trim and everything. We got a pry tool, and we have a little control. Is this a control? Yeah, look at that. Control box. Can't even call it a box. And then the connectors. So this is going to be simple. Let's get going. Open door warning. That's pretty slick. Let you pass.
Hey, look at that.
Check it out.
That is badass.
Exactly. Boom.
Yeah,
there
that's
it is. Okay, now hit the signal. Turn signal right. Yeah. So then it's warning you.
That's cool.
Like them there. You want to tilt them toward you a little bit more. You can do that. They blend in decently. Start AIing that pretty soon. So yeah, really, it's just the blind spot only.
Yeah.
If the car's right next to you, it's like, no, you can see it. But then there, boom, now it gives you the green light. Huh. That's nice. Pretty inexpensive, installs easy.
Super helpful.
An actual product that is useful, inexpensive. It checks all the boxes. How is that possible?